Welcome to the top 3 nail tip lamps for gel and tips nail extensions. All links in the description and pinned comment.
Macart Luminosa Rechargeable Nail Extension Lamp is a compact and powerful flash curing lamp designed for nail technicians and DIY nail lovers. Its cordless and rechargeable design allows you to work anywhere without cables, making it perfect for salons, home use, or mobile nail services. The flexible 360-degree gooseneck lets you easily adjust the ankle for precise curing during nail extensions and nail art. Equipped with LED UV technology, it quickly cures gel polish, builder gel, and rhinestone glue, helping speed up your manicure process. With smart sensor activation and multiple timer settings, the Macart Luminosa lamp delivers convenience, precision, and professional results in a portable design.
A RAM UV LED nail lamp is designed to simplify gel nail applications with fast and accurate curing. Its dual adjustable gooseneck arms allow you to direct the light exactly where it's needed, making it ideal for securing nail extensions, crystals, and detailed nail designs. The high-efficiency LED light quickly hardens gel products, helping you complete manicures faster and with greater precision. Built with a stable base and a compact structure, it fits perfectly on any nail workstation, at home or in a professional salon. Combines flexibility, speed, and reliability for consistent, salon-quality nail results. Savaland Magnetic Portable Hands-Free Rechargeable Nail Lamp is a practical flash cure tool created to improve precision during gel nail applications. The magnetic stand and adjustable head allow you to position the light at the perfect angle, giving you hands-free control while placing nail extensions, charms, or rhinestones. Its UV LED curing technology helps solidify gel products quickly, reducing waiting time and making the manicure process more efficient. Powered by a rechargeable battery, the compact design makes it easy to carry and convenient for home setups, travel, or professional nail technicians on the go. With smart sensor activation and flexible positioning, the Savaland Magnetic Nail Lamp offers a simple and reliable way to achieve clean, secure gel nail results. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!